5 easy skills for every cyclist to learn. Today I'm going to be using my BMX to show you guys 5 easy tricks that anyone can do and, well, impress your friends. And before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified about all my future uploads. And hey, so it's 5 drop hits, so hit that like button too. The first is, of course, a wheelie. As I've already shown you earlier, you can do a wheelie easily. All you have to do is jerk the handlebar up and pedal up at the same time. You do need a little bit of practice, because if you put too much power or you pull hard, very hard, you're going to end up doing a full lift wherein you will have to jump off. So a little bit of practice makes perfect. Doing a wheelie is fun and it's quite useful on the trails too. The next skill is a trackstand. So a trackstand is basically where you are balancing at one spot on the bike. An easy way to learn how to do a trackstand: make sure your front wheel is hitting a wall and keeping pressure on the front pedal. That is, you're putting a little bit of power, and stand so that you're pushing against the wall but at the same time you're not moving forward, and balance left right. Move your body a little bit to the left and right to understand how your cycle is going to behave and which is the ideal position for you on the cycle to balance longer.
How can I go?
Next is an endo. An endo is basically a back wheel lift. So to do an endo, you not only have to use your front brakes, but you also need to push down and launch the back. So it takes a little bit of getting used to and practice, but over time you'll be able to understand exactly when to push down so that when you hit the front brakes, your back wheel lifts and you are in control. The progression to the endo is doing an endo with a turn. So you lift the back wheel and you turn so that your entire bike turns. With practice, you can go from a 90 to a 180 or even more. The next is a fakie. I'm doing a fakie over here using my children's ramp, but what you can do is pedal into a wall or something solid and bounce back. Remember, when you're rolling backwards, you need to pedal backwards too. So this not only looks nice, but it's also quite useful when you're in a very tight spot and you need to roll back and get out of the way without letting your feet hit the ground. Let I go like this, come back and roll. The last skill is a bunny hop. So there are two types of bunny hop, the English bunny hop and the American bunny hop. The difference between the two is very simple. In English bunny hop, both the wheels lift together. The American bunny hop, on the other hand, you lift the front wheel first and then the back wheel jumps up too. I've been practicing this, but I'm not very good at it as yet. To do a bunny hop properly, it is effectively like how you jump. A bunny hop uses your handlebar. Basically, you're pulling the entire bike up with you. Again, this is one of those things which you need to practice to get better at. Now that you know all 5 skills, make a combination of all 5 and go and, as my son says, flex to your friends. Well, now I need to practice a lot more. You guys also head out and do some practice. I'm going to be here practicing with my son. You guys go out, practice with your friends. Until next time, safe ride everyone.
Pardon me?